of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this tablet. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Now choose while using the app or only this time and tap on Allow. Then click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this orange icon over here. And if you wish to end it and save it, click on the square button. Now name it however you wish to and choose Save. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it, you need to hold it. Click on delete icon over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!